Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can create an Uber Eats account. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So basically what is an Uber Eats? Uber Eats is the same idea as Uber, but the difference is that the food is delivered all the way to you. It's a really good application. I would highly recommend for you to use it. You can basically order any type of food and it's going to completely come all the way to your doorstep. So how can you create an account on it? I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, you're going to launch on the Play Store or the App Store. And you're going to search for Uber Eats. Once you search for Uber Eats, you're going to download it and you're going to click on open. Once you click on open Uber Eats, you're going to click on continue. Of course, you can log in with Uber. Okay, if I click on log in with my Uber account, I can log in with my Uber account and then just add in my location. And after I add my location. So as I said, after you put your location, you're going to find all of the things that you could order from Uber. Okay, as you can see, healthy, halal, bubble tea, any type of foods that you could think of. You can completely order from there and then you're going to find it come all the way to your doorstep. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and I'll see you later.